Hi viewers, this is Vetrivel. Today we can discuss about how to send the survey from your custom email address. By defaultly, you have sent the survey from the survey@email.formpro.microsoft.com. So if now the Microsoft is announced, you can send the survey from the your custom email ID. For example, you can click the drop down. You can see here one more mail id is available. If you want, you can add the multiple mail id, which email address to send the survey to the customer. So by default I have configured is a survey@email.formfro.microsoft.com. If you want, you can change the mail id. I will show you the steps how you are going to change the from mail address. So for that, the public document is available. You need to create the support request to the Microsoft. So I will mention this URL in my description section. You can check that link. So you need to create one support request to the Microsoft. For that, you need to go to admin.powerplatform.microsoft.com. In that, you can click the help and support request. You can create the one request. So you can choose the product type is Dynamic 365 customer engagement and the problem is FormFro. Select the environment, which environment you want to make the changes. So tell the issue title and mention the issue description. Then so after submitting the service request, you will get the call from the Microsoft. They will assist you how to change the from mail address. Once you get call from the Microsoft support engineer, they will ask the few questions. Which domain you are going to configure the email address, and a list of the email address, and a list of the user who going to send the survey invitation. So you can respond these questions. After, you will get the update from the support engineer. They will give you instruction to update the DNS record in your domain. For example, my case, I have hosted my domain into GoDaddy. So in GoDaddy, I have created the 3 record. One is CNAME, another one is CNAME, another one is text record. So after created this record into GoDaddy, you just reply back to the support engineer. Once you get the response from the support engineer, you can send the survey from your custom email address. So I am testing this survey from my custom mail id. So I have changed my custom mail id. So automatically the survey is saved. So now we are going to test our flow. So I'm going to test this flow. I'm using my previous data. So I'm test. Your flow run was successfully. Open the Outlook and check your survey is received from your custom email address. Now you can see here my survey is received from my custom email address. Previously I have received the survey invite from Microsoft email ID. So thanks for watching.